Okay, so we have this question. We had to find the equation of a curve, y equals f of x, if the second derivative is 6x, and the tangent at some point is horizontal. So to summarize, we need y of x equals f of x. We know that y double prime at every point is 6x, and the tangent line to the curve is horizontal at 1, 2. What does this mean? This means that this first derivative at 1 is 0. This means that it's horizontal. Okay, so how do we start? This is basically just a question, an application of the fundamental theorem of calculus. So how do we do this? We know from the fundamental theorem of calculus that integrals undo derivatives. So to undo the second derivative, we just integrate to get the first derivative. So this means that y prime of x is just the integral of the second derivative. Like this. What does this give us? So it's the integral of 6x dx, and that's just going to be power rule x squared 3x squared. So, and we also get a constant. And then how do we find a constant? Well, we know that the first derivative of 1 has to be 0. So if we plug in 1, that's going to give us 0. This is just 3, so c has to be minus 3. So then we have y prime of x is 3x squared minus 3. Okay. So now, to find the actual function, y of x, we integrate again to undo this derivative. So let's integrate once again. Now we have the integral of 3x squared minus 3 dx. Integrating that, again, power rule, we get x cubed minus 3x plus c. I'm going to call this c1, just not to confuse it with the c. Okay, so now how do we find the c? Well, we know that the line has to cross 1, 2. So now we can go back to the function and plug in 1. That is 1 cubed minus 3 times 1 plus c1 has to be equal to 2. So then this gives us 1 minus 3, which is minus 2 plus c1 equals 2, or c1 is equal to 4. So that gives us our function. In total, y of x is equal to x cubed minus 3x plus 4. And you can check the derivatives to check. So the first derivative of this is just 3x squared minus 3. If you plug in 1, then it's 3 minus 3 equals 0. And then the second derivative is 6x plus 0, which is what we wanted.